That's the beauty about Fords, is a lot of times you can get the motor out without pulling the hood off. Look at that. I'm rolling, Scotty's jacking. Wait a minute. Way to go! Way to go! Nice job. I got that on video. That's going to be funny later. I'd say walk it off.
Right in the shin.
You got 2 of those. It's fine. It's like livers. You got 2 of those too.
Gotta stop being such a whiny bitch.
I got to move the stopper. There we go. All right, I think you can go back now. Beautiful.
Oh no, that's what fell. Distributor.
Hey, look. It's out. Ruh-roh. Look at that.
The next person.
That's like peanut butter and chocolate.
The next person that tells me to go deeper, I'm gonna tell him, well, point blank, sorry, I just can't do that. I'm not built that way. But how about you just get tighter?
Ooh. Hurry. All right, pressure plate's coming off. We're gonna check out your clutchy clutch. Obviously, I'd like to be replacing this. Because while we're in here, we might as well.
Do me a favor, hold the crutch. Hold the crutch. Hold the clutch.
I'm gonna hold back. Okay. I got it. Grab the disc. Grab the disc. The disc. The disc.
I got it all.
All right, here, pull up. Ooh, that's not happy. I think we want a clutch for sure. Ooh, yeah. There's some cracking.
Ooh, damn.
Look at this. There's some cracking.
Oh, yeah.
There's some metal to metal.
Yeah, we're metal to metal here.
Yep, definitely need a clutch. Oof. Flywheel.
Can we get the flywheel turned?
Yes, I can get it turned. All right, let's uggy-duggy these off. Get this out of here. I'm betting 3/4.
3/4? That's
Yep.
what I'm thinking.
So we get that off. Take off our sender. We'll drain our oil. And we're gonna get our balancer too, just to have it. And then this short block goes bye-bye. Wow, this motor at some point was the actual correct blue. Shocking. All right, draining the oil.
Here we go. Let's see if I can pull a plug without getting covered.
Nope.
3, 2.
You like coating.
Okay, and wait, what? Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
That looks like water, gasoline, and oil.
Now oil. Now it's chocolate shake. Ooh, look at it swirl.
Woo! We're moving up in the world. We got us.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, God, that's disgusting.
Oh, no. Peanut butter. Looks like peanut butter and honey.
Jelly time, peanut butter. Oops, sorry.
Now here comes like the chocolate syrup.
Oh, God. Yeah, there we go.
Wow. That's not fucking good. Tell me your motor's hurt.
Without telling me your motor's hurt.
Exactly. Poor baby. Okay. Well, I'm going to undo the... You have 3/8 ratchet out here?
Of course we do.
Coolant still.
No clue how. Amazing.
Well, when this happened,
Yeah.
I just did that new radiator in. That's why. Yuck. Alright, well, let that drain a little and then... balancer. Verkackt.